All right, now that we've created our content items, we know how to create assignments and discussions and tests, we know how the Grade Center operates. Let's take a look at what the student sees on their end. So to go to student view, we just want to hover over here and go to enter student preview. And now we're going to be looking at the course as a student. So you'll see we have a home page, we have our announcements, our lectures. You'll see that this is an item. So all the content appears directly over here. And we created this as a blank page. So in order to access the content, the student would have to click this. And once they're done, they can go back to the lecture content area. Then we have a coffee making video and a link to an external page. And they can download the PowerPoint from this link right here. Now if we go to our assignments area, we have our week 1 assignment that we created. So if I'm the student, I can go into the assignment. It shows me the due date, the possible point. I can type in my submission by creating a submission, or I can upload my file. And once I'm done, I can hit submit. And if I want to participate in the discussion forum, I go to the discussion forum area. I click the discussion forum link, and I'm going to say create thread. And then I'll give it a title, craft my response here, and hit submit. And for a test, I can click the test link. It'll give me the prompts. I can begin my test. And this is the essay question we created. And type in my response here, save answer, move on to the next question. And once I'm done, I can hit submit. Okay. And if I want to take a look at my grades, I just go to my grade center. And that is how the course looks as a student.